So far so good. We are able to see our students here. However, this is shown in how Django generally renders things, which is not really pretty. I want to make this a bit prettier. So how do you go about doing that? Well, we can work with it here. Actually, this is a loopable set. So we can loop over it like this. So we can, here we're going to use a for loop. So we can say for student in students. So it's important to understand when you're working with our templates, unlike when you are in Python files, which you don't have to close them off, templates, we have to close them off because that's how Django knows where to start and begin. Usually when working from Python files, it knows that based on the spacing. So here we have to end the for, like that. Right, so once we have that, we can now print out anything we want about this particular student. So let's say we have, let's see what information we have about them. So we have, for example, their full name. So we're gonna go right ahead and print out the student full name. So let's try that out. Okay, so these are their full names. However, we want to find information about all of them. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put all this information in a table, right? So let's go ahead and create a table. So you don't need a lot of this information, so I'm just gonna move it. What you do need though is to put in the class. This will tell Bootstrap that this is a table. Okay. So once we have that, there are certain things that we need to create. So we need our table has a full name, an age, an email, and interests. So we're gonna go right ahead and create all that. So we're gonna have full name. So that's many fields. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 fields. Okay, so let me paste it out that we have 4 fields. Then we have age, email, and interests. So let's go right ahead and change this. Age, change this, email, change this as well. Interests. Awesome. Right. Now we just want to include the data. So let's just load this so that you can see what's happening. Okay. So now I've created a new form of ours. So this doesn't need to be in these tags. So just need to make sure you have only one of these tr tags. So let me do that. Sake of simplicity so that you can see what's going on. Okay. So we're gonna remove the extra tags here and there. So we need to delete this. Okay, so let's delete all of this up. Okay, see, it's rendering properly now. Right, so we have now the data. Now we need to put all of this in our loop, just like the way we had it here before. Right, so what you're gonna do, we're just gonna create more space here, create more space there, then okay, paste this one here, and all this is gonna be in a file like this. Then you're gonna be creating a new row for each record. So we put in our row there, put in our row here. Okay. Now here was the order, so we had full name. So the next one was age. The next one was email. The next one was interests. Okay, so we no longer need this or this or this. Okay, so let's see how our table looks right now. Right, now you can go right ahead and remove this because it's already accounted for. Okay, so just like that, we now have a listing of all the students that are currently in our class. Alright, so let's go right ahead and get up to here.